This is the newest Mingda Magician X. It adopts a modular structure, only one step to assemble, a built-in box for tool storage conveniently, belt tensioners on X and Y axis to adjust the belt at any time, and the Magician X uses a newly direct extruder with a built-in filament detector, and it has a resume printing function. The double screws on the Z-axis make sure the stable movement. In addition, Mingda has developed a more intelligent leveling function. With just one click on the screen, Magician X can achieve auto leveling through 16 points. The carborundum glass platform, stronger adhesion, easy to remove models. Besides, Magician X supports multiple connection ports for printing, including U-Disk, SD card, and USB-C. Last but not least, the overall structure design of Magician X and the silent driver of TMC2209 allow you and your pets to enjoy a quiet and comfortable printing environment with complete functions, stable structure, and excellent printing effect. Magician X can not only print PLA, but also the flexible material. Let your 3D design into real objects. Mingda Magician X. Simple and intelligent.